Average height of 30 girls of a class of 40 is 160 centimeters, and of the remaining girls is 156 centimeters. Average height of the whole class is. Now, there are 30 girls out of a class of 40 whose average is 160. Now, we have a very simple formula: average into quantity is equal to total. Now, the average is 160 centimeters and the number of girls is 30. So we can get the total height of the 30 girls as 4,800. Now, the class is of 40, so the remaining girls will be 10, and their average is given to us as 156. So the total height of the remaining 10 girls is 1560. So the total height of the full class we can easily find out. It will be 4,800 plus 1560, that is 6360. Now the total students are 40 and we want to find out the average. Okay, so again the formula we can adjust it as average into 40 is equal to 6360. So therefore average for the full class will be 6360 divided by 40. Hence the answer comes as 159. So answer will be option C.